Okay, we're going to talk about the display of chord fingerings in MySongbook. Here's an example song, Bicycle Built for Two, where I'm displaying the chords up on the top. First thing I do is show you how we get to this, because it's not how it shows up by default. I'm going to push the back arrow to go back to the song list, tap on Settings in the upper left. I'm going to scroll down here to Songs and Sets, and here where it says Instrument for Chords is where you need to select what instrument chords you want to show up. And these are all the ones that are built into the app. It's very powerful, lots of chords. Okay, guitar selected right now. It will come with none. I will set it on guitar. The chords can be shown nowhere or on top or bottom. Okay, and you saw how they were on the top. And here you can kind of adjust this slider and you can make them a lot bigger. And let's see, I'm not sure if I'm going to make them too big, but let's see what that does. Okay, so I said done there, and now I'm going to go back into Bicycle Built for two here. Okay, and now you see they're much bigger on top of the song here. Okay, and maybe they're too big, but we will deal with it. Okay, and now I'm going to tap on this C chord that's up here in the upper right, and you shows the three fingerings it currently knows about for fingering a C chord on the guitar with normal tuning. Okay. The plus sign up at the top allows you to add one. Now, another thing you can do is you can tap on these, and I tapped on the one on the right, and you can set it as the default. If you did that, it's going to show up first, and it will show up back here in the song. Okay. Let's go back to the standard C fingering. We'll set it as the default. Okay, so it jumps back over here. Now you could add your own fingerings if you had a different way you wanted to finger the C chord. Okay. So you put in here X if you don't want the string to be included. You put in a 0 for an open string, a 1 for a first fret, 2, 3, and so on. So let's say, I'm not going to have a C chord here, but just to demonstrate this, I'm going to put X, and then you have to put a space, X. Okay, so those are two non-played strings. Then 0 for open, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm just putting in just some numbers just so you can see how it works. Click on Done, tap on Done, and now you see here's that chord in here. Two non-played strings, open string, and then the frets 1, 2, and 3, and below you see the fret numbers to help you out, which is really important when you get the big numbers and don't see the top bar. You can tap on it here. You can edit it. You can change that. Let's make this top string 0 just to demonstrate this. So now we got 2 open strings. See, and here it is. The other thing is you can tap on it and you can delete it. It'll be gone. Okay, so that's how you can mess with editing the chords. One other piece is when you inside the song, you can also tap on them to bring up all the variety of fingerings. Okay. Now I'm going to go back and show one more piece about this. Now this is a little more advanced. Is that at the very bottom here of the settings, you can export and email chords. So if you're adding custom chords, you'll want to export those just like you can export and back up songs. You can back up your chords. And then the one right above it here is to reset your chord list. You tap on that, and it's going to take out all the ones that you've customized. Okay? So that's chords in MySongbook.